Hi there, I'm Misty Ann back in my closet with another wardrobe planning quick tip for you. My quick tip for you this week, once again, has to do with Rent the Runway. For my Rent the Runway Unlimited plan, I rented these adorable pants. You can see how cute they are. And when I went to put them on, I could not even get them up my hips. So I went back on the website to check the size, and you can usually see some good stuff for size and fit. But if you'll scroll down, see, look at that. Everyone ranked them as too small. And if you keep scrolling, people made comments about, look at this one, wouldn't even fit a Barbie, at least 2 sizes too small. The nice thing about this too is if you look on this left side, you can see what the people that are commenting, what their dimensions are, and kind of who is similar to you so that you know what is relevant. So it's really a very meaningful input. What really matters with Rent the Runway Unlimited is you want to get your money's worth for your monthly fee, get those things worn and back so that you can order something back quickly. So losing that time of getting a wrong size can really make a difference with Rent the Runway Unlimited. Now with regular Rent the Runway, you want to be careful about it because you're ordering something a little bit closer to event. So you don't want to find out right at the event that, oops, this was the wrong size. With the regular Rent the Runway, you do get a second size for free, but in the case of these pants, that wouldn't have helped me because they were 2 sizes off. So definitely read those reviews. If this was helpful for you, please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to tune in for weekly wardrobe planning this Sunday, this time with my friend Thais Amaral Talawi of the Amaral Talawi Law Firm. We're going to have a lot of fun talking about going back to work after you've had a baby and the wardrobe implications there, so don't miss it. In the meantime, everybody have a great rest of your week.